Hey everyone, Danielle from Third Angle. Welcome back to the second edition of Social Media Myth-Busting, making sure that you understand how to use social media for your small business. And so this true or false question for today is, having a Facebook page is enough to drive in new business? So do you think having a Facebook page is truly enough to drive in new business? This is false. This is the fallacy of build it and they will come. In other words, thinking that just because you have something there, that everyone is bound to come in and see how valuable it is. It might be very valuable, but people don't necessarily know that unless they're engaging with it before seeing it. It's kind of like if you live in Colorado Springs and you're driving on Austin Bluffs. Just because there are 20 storefronts that you're driving past and they're there, they're built, they exist, doesn't mean that you're going to stop and go into one of them unless you see something that catches your eye and draws you into their storefront. So the question of how to increase online sales through social media remains. And you must give people a reason to come to you. You must draw them in. So use your engaging content with actionable calls to action, those buttons, those links to blogs, links to products, links to promotions that can be used to be amplified and give you traction as you're driving in new business. Now, something that Rand Fishkin always points to when he's talking to people about this is that before you ever create content, you need to ask the critical question of who will help amplify this piece of content and why. What reason do they have to amplify this? And if you don't have a great answer, a list of people who would amplify this or a list of target audience members who might be interested in it, don't create that piece of content. It's not going to gain traction and it's going to be a waste of your time and a waste of your resources. So having a Facebook page is not enough to drive in new business. You must have engaging content and clear calls to action to make it worthwhile.